Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with next chapter, that is adaptations in animals. As you know, different kinds of animals are found in different parts of the earth. Some animals live in hot dry desert, some live in cold mountain, while some live in water. So this home or natural environment in which an animal lives, it is known as habitat. The habitat is a place where animals live naturally. Everybody have seen lion in a zoo, but zoo is not a natural place for a lion. That is a jungle only. So forest is the natural place of the lion. So that is the habitat of lion, not a man-made zoo. Okay. So the home or natural environment in which an animal lives, that is known as habitat of that animal. Let's move on to next one. Types of animals. Types of animals. Animals can be divided into two groups, invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates are the animals that do not have a backbone. You can see this in this picture. The picture is of snail and earthworm. These don't have a backbone. So these are invertebrates. Some more examples are there. Many small animals like snail, spider, worms, all these are included in this group. Butterfly, cockroach, all these don't have backbone. So they are grouped as invertebrates. But if we'll talk about vertebrates, vertebrates have backbone. Like we human beings have backbone. Same way, fish, amphibian, reptiles, birds and mammals, these have backbones. The animals have a backbone are called vertebrates. So we can divide them into fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammal. Let's read about these. First is fish. Fish lives only in water. They don't live on land. They live only in water. They have gills for breathing. So fish breathe through gills. Whereas they have fins to swim. Here you can see this. They have fins to swim in water. Some examples are cod, shark, salmon. All these are examples of fish. As you know, fish live only in water. Next group is amphibians. Amphibians live both on land and in water. They breathe through lungs. When they are on land, they breathe through lungs. But when they are in water, they breathe through moist skin. So amphibians live both on land and in water. Fish live only in water. Amphibians live both. Some examples are frog, salamanders, toads. Next is reptiles. Reptiles have dry and scaly skin. You can see this. In this picture, you can easily see the scales on the skin of crocodile. These are scales of the crocodile. So all the reptiles have dry and scaly skin that have scales on their body. Reptiles reproduce by laying eggs. They lay eggs. Some examples are there like snake, lizard, crocodile. All these are reptiles. Do you know? Snakes do not have legs. It do not have legs, but they have scales. And with that, it can crawl along the ground. So this is about reptiles. Let's move on to next one. That is birds. Birds. Birds have bodies that is covered with feathers. You can see this beautiful parrot is there. Its body is covered with feathers. Birds fly with the help of their wings. So some examples are there like crow, parrot, pigeon, sparrow. All these are birds. The birds have boat-shaped body. You can see in this picture it look like boat-shaped. They have boat-shaped body and they have hollow bones. Hollow bones make their body light. So their boat-shaped body, hollow bones and light body. It helps them to fly easily. But some birds are also there. They are not able to fly. They cannot fly due to their heavy body. For example, kiwi, ostrich. These are known as flightless birds. The birds that cannot fly, they are flightless birds. Let's move on to next one, that is mammals. Mammals are the animals that give birth to young ones. They don't lay eggs, they give birth to young ones. And the parent animal take care of that baby. The mother feed their young ones with their own milk. Mammals have hairs all over their body. They have 4 limbs. Limbs means arms and legs. So they have 4 limbs and external ears also. You can see this. External ears of elephant. So big. They breathe through lungs. They have lungs for breathing. Some examples are there like cow, goat, dog, cat, human beings. All these are examples of mammals as they give birth to young ones. They have ears. They breathe through lungs. Whale and dolphin are also mammals. They live in water. So whale and dolphin frequently come out of water to breathe in air. So today we will complete up to this. Thank you.